Hi, I'm Rob Oyston from Sports Extra and I'm going to show you how to pass the ball. Okay, so that's a quick demonstration of passing the ball. When we pass the ball, we use the instep part of our foot. Okay, we also come in from the side because that allows us to have power when we're passing and also gives us accuracy. We make sure that we bend our knees so we got flex and that helps us keep it accurately. So I'm approaching from the side. I plant my foot next to the ball and the direction my toe is pointing is the direction the ball's going to go. And also, when I follow through, the ball will travel the way I want it to go. So if I follow through that way, the ball's going to go that way. Whereas if I follow through that way, the way I want it to go, the ball's going to travel in that direction. So that looks like this. I come in from the side, plant my foot next to the ball, pass and follow through straight. So that's how to do a pass. Please like, subscribe the video and to our channel, Sports Extra Skill School. Take care.